Hello family, how are you? How is everyone? So today let's make a fruit flower and we are going to use strawberries and blueberries. Of course we need skewer sticks, or you can just call them sticks, and a vase to put our flower, okay, or to put our skewers. So of course now you're going to start designing. First of all, you need to wash your strawberries and blueberries. You wash them, you put them in a dish or on a tray, and then you will need to get your vase for the flower. You put something soft at the bottom inside. It can be anything, you can use it. For us, we used a spongy that came with a real natural flower before, and we wrapped it in cling film and put it in the vase. So here we are sticking our strawberries and the blueberries to the skewers. Yeah, it was fun. As you can see, you need to cut the stalk of the strawberry and then stick it properly on the stick and add some strawberries in between, blueberries in between, and then on top you can put the strawberries just like that. You fix and then you design the strawberries according to preferred design. And once you're done with the stick, then you can stack it or fix it into your flower vase. Okay, yeah, remember you put something spongy in the flower vase so the stick will be able to stay firmly or stick firmly in the vase. So you of course arrange the sticks according to your desired design and order. You can do any kind of design according to your style. So this was our style, and this is what we were doing. We were like almost 3/4 finishing the whole thing, the whole flower. So we are adding on. Yeah, of course, while you are doing it, you will sometimes feel like this should not be here, let's do it like this. It's okay, you can always change the design as long as it's not gonna spoil the fruits. Yeah, so I think it looks beautiful. What do you think? We are almost finishing up. We are winding up. We proceed to design our fruit skewers. Some in the middle. The ones we stack on the side, or we put on the side like round. They're making like a round view. The strawberries, we shaped them in a rose flower shape, and then the ones we put in the middle, we kept the skewers long and made the strawberries on top the shape of a heart. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, we are almost done with our flower. Yeah, we are almost done. Yeah, we are almost done, and I'm so excited how it will come out. I'm anxiously waiting to see how it's gonna come out. Wow, this is the flower that we have made, and it looks so beautiful. Wow. Thank you so much for watching. You can do this for yourself, for your family, anytime, any day. See you in my next video. Remember to subscribe and like. Bye.